Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I need some help. Can somebody please explain to me how you can have an active Doordash account, right? How can you have an active Doordash account with 5 contract violations? I thought once you get 2, you basically skating on thin ice. I thought that once you get 2 contract violations, you had to be so careful and make sure that you get 100 deliveries without messing up, or you will be deactivated for sure. Check this out. You see that? 5 contract violations. I said, man, stop playing with me. That's got to be fake.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
Ain't no way. It ain't no way in the world you're gonna have an active Doordash account still doing deliveries. It ain't no way.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
That many contract violations. So I say, okay, hold on. It ain't no way. That's just gotta be fake. It's gotta be fake. I said, send me some proof. Show me where it say exactly what you did wrong, because it ain't no way you got 5 active contract violations. So they did send me over the proof. They sent me over the proof, and it's worse than I thought it was. Tell me why they got all these contract violations this year within a short time frame too. Look at this. We got April 15th, April 25th, May 6th, June 6th, and June 16th. That means the first contract violation was April 15th and the last one was June 16th. That's 2 months. How you get 5 contract violations in 2 months for one? First of all, that's honestly crazy, because look, when I was on DoorDash, I wasn't even getting 100 deliveries per month. But even if I did get 100, there's a chance I might get 1 contract violation if something crazy happened. But to get 5 in 2 months, that's like saying every 50 deliveries you get a contract violation, which is horrible. So let's look at this first one. Look at this. That's crazy. 5 contract violations. April 15th, April 25th, May 6th, then a full month later, June 6th, and then June 15th. It's like on these reoccurring days, you gonna get a contract violation. So by these standards, you got another contract violation coming June 25th. Then you probably gonna get your next one on July 6th, and then another one on the 15th or 16th. Like, this is crazy right here. 5 contract violations within a 2-month span. The question I have is, should this dasher be deactivated? Because obviously they got something going on. I mean, look, it ain't nothing but 1,400 deliveries on this account. 1,400 deliveries is not that long. You talking about you can get 1,400 deliveries in 4 or 5 months if it's jamming. But it ain't been jamming lately, so this is probably a nice amount of time worth of dashing. But you telling me in the last 2 months, you done got 5 contract violations and ain't none of them rolled off? That means you ain't even completing 100 deliveries to get 1 fall off before you get the next one. That's pretty bad. That means you done did 100 deliveries, and out of so that means 1 in every 20 deliveries, you basically doing something that's worthy of you getting a contract violation. So the first one, April 15th, order never arrived, contactless delivery. Like, what? You take the picture, you make sure you get the address in there. If they lie and say the order never arrived, you send them the picture that verifies the food with the address. So you telling me you had no picture of the food? Okay, maybe you did have a picture. Maybe it just didn't have the address in there. So they still slid through the cracks and they hit you with the contract violation, even though you had a verification photo. Okay. Next. April 25th, order never arrived, contactless delivery. Okay, you fooled me once, that's on me. You fooled me twice, what the heck going on? Because now you should know to get a picture with the address verifying. Make sure you send them a picture. This is 10 days later, guys. This is 10 days later. And mind you, they already had over 1,000 deliveries once we got to April, so it ain't no way. It ain't no way. Boom. Look at the next one. May 6th, order never arrived. So you telling me again, you ain't checking? That's crazy. And then the next one. So you already had 3 order never arrived. So you finally get the order to the right spot. And then your next contract violation is boom, order extremely late. So it took you 3 contract violations to finally figure out to get the address in the picture. 3 contract violations, mind you, and you ain't even have one of them fall off. 3 of them for you to finally get that down packed to where you can get it without taking it to the wrong spot or being a victim of a scam, right? You got that under control. And now your next one is because it's extremely late. Come on, man. Now some dashers need to be deactivated. I'm just letting you know right now because look, this is unacceptable. You know, a contract violation here and there, I can understand that, but how you get 5? How you get 5 contract violations in a 2-month span and ain't none of them fall off? That mean in 2 months you done did less than 100 deliveries and you keep on messing up. You just keep on having problems. You need to go ahead, just log out. Go ahead, uninstall that app because it's not working for you. Not just DoorDash, Uber Eats too. You should not be doing no food delivery. If you got 1,000-something deliveries and you ain't got it together yet, you need to go ahead and just try something else. And that's okay. It's okay to try something else. But the numbers is right there. It's not working for you. I'm sorry to tell you. So look. Yeah, I'm gonna make that next right on Troy Road. But what I'm also do is I'm gonna let the people know, look, if you're having difficulties out there with the gig apps, go ahead, head over and check out some of these YouTube channels. They give you all the tips and tricks, you know, show you how to maximize. But godly, if you can't figure it out in a 2-month span to not get this many contract violations, I don't know if we can help you, honestly, because this is horrible. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Am I over exaggerating? You know, am I taking it too far? Maybe it was a glitch in the system. You know, maybe he or she got an explanation for the high number of contract violations on this account. But let me know, am I tripping? Or is this what DoorDash do? You know, they show favoritism to show some dashers and let them rack up crazy amounts of contract violations and don't deactivate them? Because I've heard reports of that too. But I ain't never actually seen the screenshots to back it up. I mean, look, they ain't reprimanding this dasher at all. I mean, he got good customer rate, and I give him that. You know, acceptance rate, it is what it is. Completion rate, we can always get that back up. It's below 90, but man, I mean, that's horrible right there. Those 5 contract violations sitting at the top of your screen, that make your account look real bad because, you know, if you got 1, even 2, you can kind of explain it or justify why some of that may have happened. Now, if the people believe you, that's another thing. But 5 of them, 5 in a 2-month span, I can't even trust what you say at that point. Because I can't even trust you to bring me my food or get it to the right address. Like, I can't trust what you say if you got 5 contract violations within 2 months. All of them can't be an accident. It's impossible. It's impossible for all 5 of those contract violations to be an accident. But look, let me know what you guys think. Beat me up in the comments below. Say, Trader, you're wrong. The system is messed up. It glitches all the time. You know, these customers is out here scamming. Let me know if I'm wrong. Let me know if I'm right too. But also make sure you hit that like and the subscribe button for your boy so we can get that algorithm going, because look, this is crazy right here. 5 contract violations, 3 order never arrives. Like, bro, I'm gonna have to say, look, this just might be a bad dasher right here. Let me know in the comments, is this a good dasher or a bad dasher? And let me know, what's the highest number of contract violations you've had at one time? I've had 2. I've had 2 at one time, but man, when I got them 2, I swore I was walking on eggshells for the next 100+ deliveries. Because even when I got that 1 going, I still didn't want to get right back up to 2. This dasher right here, he wasn't worried about none of that. He ain't worried about none of that. I know who this is, and he is still active right now with these 5 contract violations sitting at the top of his account. It's actually appalling. But look, we're gonna go ahead and let him do his thing. I don't make no opinions on nothing. I just want to know, what do you guys think about this? Because I was blown away. I was blown out of my seat when I seen it, and honestly, I thought it was fake. But once he sent me the screenshots of the reason for those the reason for those contract violations, I said, you know what? That's the proof in the pudding right there. Them things is real.